So what does it actually mean if Luke Mitchell wins the right to appeal the board's decision not to release him? The court will focus on a few key areas during the review. Firstly, did the parole board follow proper procedures? Was the decision-making process free from bias? Probably wasn't. And was the decision used to deny Mitchell's parole reliable and weighed appropriately? By the way, this is all focused on the parole board's hearing and nothing to do with the actual trial. So there's a few ways his legal team might challenge this decision, right? Firstly, you've got procedural errors. If the parole board failed to follow its own guidelines or skipped important steps in evaluating the case, that's a big issue. For example, if they didn't properly access a psychiatric report or overlooked evidence of his rehabilitation, it could form the basis for an appeal. Number two, unreasonable decision. Luke Mitchell's lawyers might argue that the decision to deny him parole was irrational or disproportionate to the evidence, so it just really depends what was presented to the parole board. So maybe the parole board relied too heavily on the sexual risk label without strong supporting evidence. If the court agrees, it could lead to a review. And number three, new evidence. If Luke Mitchell's team has fresh evidence to present, like proof of his rehabilitation or expert testimony disputing that he's a risk to women, that could seriously go against what the parole board have said. So it goes without saying, rehabilitation is the question here really. The parole board's supposed to look at these decisions through the lens of, will this person offend again?